Good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2012 Mathematics Past Question 21. The binary operation this is defined on the set of integers such that p asterisk q is equals to pq plus p minus q. Find 2 asterisks in brackets 3 asterisks 4. So now we're given what? We're given that p asterisk q is equals to pq plus p minus q. Now we're given 2 asterisks in the bracket 3 asterisks 4. Now in doing this, let's go for the brackets first. So bracket first. Now in the bracket we have 3 asterisks 4. So 3 asterisks 4 from the expression given to us will be equals to what? 3 multiplied by 4 plus 3 minus 4, and that will be equals to 12 plus 3 minus 4, which is equal to 11. Now since we have the brackets to be 11, therefore we can now see what? 2 asterisks 11, and that will be equals to 2 times 11 plus 2 minus 11, that is equals to 22 minus 9, which is equal to 13. So the answer to this question is option B, 13. Thank you and God bless you, and subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.